We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Cecil. I'm a technician with Onyx. One of the things we'd like to discuss today is IP settings. How many times have you printed and you're like, why is my computer and my printer not talking, or you get an error? Sometimes it could be your internet port settings. So, most commonly, when you set up your printer, it was set to what's called Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. What that does is means the printer, every time it's turned off and turned on and connects to your network, it can pull a different IP address every time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So if you want to prevent that and you want to keep your computer and your printer talking together, we can switch this to a manual setting and define what that internet port address is and solve you some trouble. So on this HP printer here, there's a little wrench and toolbar that we hit that button with my fat fingers, and we get to a setup menu. Then we want to scroll down to network setup. Right now we're looking at the network setup menu. Now we have what's called IPv4 configuration method. So we'll press that. So currently it's now on DHCP like we were talking about. So we want to change that to manual. And once you have it manual, you can select a specified IP address that will always stay the same and reduce your connectivity problems. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.